Hi everyone, I know it's been a minute since I had a chance to record. We became empty nesters this year and a lot happened with all of that. So I'll get into that in my next video, but for this one, I just wanted to quickly unbox the road trip edition that I finally picked up. I actually got this with the first release in December on the website. But everything was happening so fast for us in life at that time that I didn't get to record. So little by little over the past year, as Travelers Company has released different things over their website that I knew I would want to add to a traveler's notebook at some point. And so what I've decided to do is these to and fro items that I got, man, I want to say I got these maybe 2023. I wanted to make sure to use them in this new traveler's notebook that I got. So I went ahead and pulled out this one. This is the to and fro. It holds the palette by Art Toolkit in here perfectly. And then it has that wonderful pocket. And then of course it has a zipper pouch. So that will go in it. The whole thing I'm going to put into this cover. So again, it's a collab with To and Fro and Travelers Company, and it'll just go and be nicely tucked in there. This is the newsletter that came with my purchase. Let me turn everything the right direction. So it was still this Travelers Times. This is probably my, I don't know, second or third copy of that one. It was great to have little extras of. I also picked up the stickers, the clip, and the notebook itself with the insert. I did not get the tote because for me personally, I don't have much use for the tote itself, but I definitely wanted to get these road trip stickers. So I love these as far as road trips, but also it has the diner stickers. So I have the Traveler's Diner notebook. I'll show that on my next video. I'll show my whole collection of Travelers Company on my next video. So I wanted to get those stickers. And then of course, all of these are included in this one already. We've actually done a road trip on part of historic Route 66 through here in Texas, going up towards New Mexico and into Colorado. So I definitely wanted to get that just to kind of house some of our previous memories of road trips as a family. This is the beautiful clip. I can't wait to use this in here. And then, of course, the notebook itself. All right, so this is a nice piece of ephemera to be able to save inside of the notebook. It comes with an extra dark brown, dark chocolate band that could be used inside of the notebook itself. Each of their notebooks, especially these special edition ones, are nicely covered in their own cotton bag. And then it also comes with this very neat blue-gray band. And this color, I think, is the same as the blue-gray band that they released with the Blackwing release as well. And that is the color of the band on here as well. It's that blue-gray. So I'm glad I have an extra one as well. So beautiful. So this is a copper foiling. Let's go on a road trip with Travelers Company. The embossing is just beautiful. And then it comes with this insert included. So this one is gold. Again, let's go on a road trip with Travelers Company. Comes with the iconic Midori cover with the rectangle. And inside, this is a craft notebook. And then, of course, it has Travelers Company made in Japan. So it's just beautiful. So on the back here, so now these covers are made in Thailand. They're actually made in Chiang Mai, which is the northwestern corner of Thailand. My daughter's actually, one of my daughters is living in Thailand right now. They had extensive flooding there this year with typhoon. So that was a little scary, but she's okay and her area was fine. But there were a lot of animals that were affected. So it was nice to see people being able to help out a lot of the animals there. So anyway, I absolutely love this cover. I could not pass this one up. And then this is going to be the cover that goes on it. And you can see how great it is with the to and fro. Has a little bit of the blue accent. Along with that, I'll just show you how this works. So let's put all this together real quick. While we have the moment here, we'll go ahead and do it. So for this one, since this is my main insert for now, I'm going to put to and fro in the front, just like so. And then that beautiful insert right in here. And then I'll show you how the clip works. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and put these stickers in this big pouch here, just to hold them there for right now. Then you'll see the cover is generous, so I'm able to keep that clip inside of the cover. It all fits all together, so it's great. All right, well, I hope you got your road trip one. Let me know what you're using your road trip one for. Is it for family road trips or some other plan for it? I'd love to see yours. So please comment below if you have this same one as well. And again, on my next video, I'll give you a life update where my husband and I are at this time, and our kids, and what I'm planning with my full collection of my Travelers Company notebooks. All right, thanks so much. I'll see you on the next one.